I'm going to be trying out the baking soda method. I have Arctic Fox Virgin Pink in my hair. And I already have it mixed up. I didn't have purple shampoo. So I did add just like a dot of Purple Rain by Arctic Fox to see if it would tint it. But my shampoo is the Head & Shoulders Charcoal. So it came out gray. So let's see how this turns out.